everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something fun for you. A quick stationery haul from the Coffee Monster Skull and a peek inside my new tote bag. If you're a fan of Helen's adorable creations and organizing your daily essentials for on-the-go journaling, please stay tuned. First, thank you so much Rochelle, the TCMC stockist here in the Philippines, for this order. It took months to receive it, but definitely worth the wait. Let's start with the washi tapes. First is the Happy Hobbies, which includes baking, singing, planting, gambling, hiking, writing, photography, watching movies, shopping, journaling, painting, playing video games, knitting, reading, and running. Second washi tape is called Twinkle Twinkle Glitter Tape. I love the color combination, so I got the other color variation as well. Last washi tape on this haul is called Breaking News. This is a little wider than the first two, and what I love about it is that it looks like a vintage newspaper. Plus, Helen included a pistachios fun fact, which is so cute and so funny. Second item is the I Love Stickers button pin. Watch till the end to see where I put it on. And last but certainly not the least, the Protect Your Peace tote bag. It's a canvas tote bag which is a little bigger than I expected, which is a good thing, because I like to keep it simple yet functional. Thus, I need a roomy tote bag not just for my stationery stuff, but also for my personal belongings. Now let's move on to what's in my tote bag. Yes, as you can see, I love pouches. First off is the Delphonics pouch in medium, which is for my journaling essentials, including TCMC pen pouch, traveler's notebook in passport size, and my Hobnichi Weeks. Second is the Starbucks pouch, which is for my DJI Osmo Pocket 2 camera. Last pouch is the Sacco case pouch for my personal belongings, including my phone, wallet, and an alcohol. And finally, a folded umbrella because you never know. After putting everything inside, I still have room for more. I'm obsessed with the emojis on the back pocket. And of course, the inside pocket is for keys and spare change. All in all, this is a perfect bag for casual journaling outside. And there you have it. Let me know in the comment section what your must-have items are. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Dada_Explorer. God bless.